Hello, my people. So today I'm here with, I don't know the right name. Is it jungle braids or boho braids? I've had this hair in the house for over 2 months. I've been scared, thinking maybe it won't come out the way I want it. But come on, take a look at this. It's not bad, right? I did great by myself. Okay. So I got the bundle from Temu, three bundles of straight hair and one bundle of the curly hair. I thought it wasn't going to be enough at first, but it was just perfect, just perfectly enough. Okay, guys, watch with me and see how I got this done. So initially I thought the 6 bundles I got from Temu wouldn't be enough, so I prepared a pack of expression hair, but it wasn't needed at all. The hair was just enough. So I had to first of all moisturize my hair. Never ever start with your curly hair without moisturizing it. So the next thing I did was I sectioned the hair. The front part was for the cornrows, and then I went to the back, just curtain it as my hand was leading me, without minding whether this line was straight or not. And then I just went in there. I wasn't doing knotless braids. I was just doing the normal box braids behind, just throwing it and adding the curly hair. As I said, this was the first time I was trying this ever. Like, I've never done it on anybody's hair, neither on mine. So the first time I was doing it on my hair, and to say that this is one of the things that I was most proud of is an understatement. I really felt proud of myself. I didn't know it was going to come out this way. I kept this hair at home for over 2 months, just thinking, will it come out well? And at the end, I rocked this hair for over a month. Yeah, before taking it down. So I'm just going to let you watch. It's self-explanatory. It's just the normal box braids, and you just put in your curly hair there and take it out at some point. I made some mistakes at some point, but I had to correct them. You will see. I left one in the video so that you would see when I did, and I realized my hair was out, so I had to undo and redo. It wasn't an easy ride, but it was satisfying. I'm telling you, it was really, really satisfying. I really enjoyed. And watch until the end. You're going to see. I left some pictures there of how I rocked the hair, of how I styled it. I really enjoyed this hair. And please, if you're still watching, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please, 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 please. Okay. I'm going to stop boring with my voice. I'm just going to let you watch until the end. Thank you guys for coming. Just keep watching. See ya.